Hello, I am Hugong, and I challenge myself to bring you 100 industries in the next 1 year. Today we are at our first stop, Hongdefa Agriculture Machinery Factory that has been exporting for the last 23 years. I welcome you to join me on this journey.
欢迎胡工来到洪德发，欢迎欢迎。今天欢迎胡工探场。如果您有粮食加工机械方面的需求，请联系我们，谢谢。
Here we are in the cutting shop. As you can see, the laser cutting machine is cutting it according to the requirement of the production. Here we have the cutting machine behind me. This machine is basically cutting the pieces into different parts and putting the holes inside. We can see that it does not involve any human interaction. Here we have the sheet metals being rolled into cylinders. So as you can see behind me, they are using the sheets to make cylinders. We are at the welding shop here. Here we have the automated teaching machine. Whenever we have a requirement of a lot of products that need to be welded in the same design, here we have the cylinder welding machine. This machine is used for welding the straight cylinders. Here we have the machine that welds the bends, scans the pipe first, and then it decides which parts are to be welded. This is a double-sided welding machine, and it's welding the two sides of the covering at the same time. Now we are in the paint shop in 3 different steps. The first step is the sandblasting. The sandblasting removes all the impurities. After this, the second step, we can see some of the pipes inside some of the parts which have been coated with paint. So after this painting is completed, we go to the oven. After the completion of the oven, and the paint is finished in a rust-free. Here we have the complete set of corn flour milling machine. There are 4 steps inside this machine. The first step is the cleaning process, which removes all the stones inside this machine. The second step is the moisture adding, which helps us remove the covering of the seeds. The third process is the degermination, which helps produce a low-fat flour, which has a longer shelf life. The fourth process is the milling process, which produces the corn flour. Here we have the automatic packing machine. This machine can handle up to 200 tons per day. Here we have the sifting machine. Every level of the sifting machine has a different specification. Here we have a very special patented machine produced by Hongdefa, and it can produce very fine corn flour. So that is all for our trip from Hongdefa factory. Maybe you can be our next stop. Made in China for the world.